Okay. Well, this, yeah, definitely the front office repair building. Wow, look at this. Holy moly. Huh. Repair shop. Oh, no, no, no. This was a... Okay, no, no, no. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. That's a safe. Okay, so this was a shop. Yeah, so this was some sort of chainsaw repair shop. Oh, yeah, that's what this is. Actually, you got all the belts. Okay, small engine repair, chainsaws. Yeah, I remember this when I was a youngin'. We had one of those. Huh. Okay. Sale price $300. Dish. Look at that. Oh wow, that my dad had one of those. Ooh, that's right. My dad had one of those small little chainsaw. He did, oh my god, he did so much stuff with that. Oh wow, it's an old shortwave radio. Wow, this is a cool little... Huh, what's here? Holy crap. Oh my god. I think he had a problem with... Yeah, he had a medication issue. Holy moly. Huh. Well, here's your small... Huh. Basically, this is a small repair shop starter kit. There you go. Well, that's cool. Stuff up in the ceiling. Chairs. Oh, wow. I guess, yeah, like I said, my dad had one of those home lights. That was a damn good little chainsaw. Be careful, the floor is rotten. Hey, Democrat, there's something rotten, just like the Roatan. Oh well. Wow. Yeah. So there you go. Whoever out there, like I said, if you need a small engine repair business, here's your starter kit right here. All right. There's one more building, I think, so... Okay. Alright. Okay, somebody's house. Alright, it looks pretty rotten, so I'm not going to attempt it.